Welcome back to the lesson. In our previous video, we learned how to sort list element, and in this video, we'll be talking about how to copy a list element, meaning copying elements from one list to another using the copy constructor, list constructor, and also the slice operator. So let's go ahead and start with the copy method. So to copy the element of one list to another, first of all, we're going to go ahead and define the list that we wanted to store the copied element. So let's go ahead and define another list down below here and say list2 should be equals to, then we're going to go ahead and call the list that we wanted to copy from. So let's go ahead and say we wanted to copy from list1, then we say dot copy. As simple as that. Now let's go ahead and print list2. Let's go ahead and say print list2. We're going to go ahead and get the exact same value from list1, because using the copy method right here, we are simply copying the entire element inside of our list1 to list2. Now let's go ahead and run our program. As you can see, we have our elements, monitor, keyboard, and mouse, which are originally present inside list1, but now we have copied them down to list2, and here we are printing out list2, and as you can see, we are having our values right here. Alright, so that's the copy method. Now let's go ahead and move to the list method. So we can as well copy a list element or item using the list constructor right here. So let me actually go ahead and show you exactly how to do that. Now let's go ahead and comment this line of code because we are done with the copy method. Now let's come down below here and say list2. We want to copy it to a list called list2 as well. So this time around, let me go ahead and say list3 is going to be equals to, then we're going to go ahead and now call our list constructor list, and then we passed our list1, meaning the list that we wanted to copy from. Now copy that and pass it right inside our list right here. And now instead of printing list2, we're going to go ahead and print list3, paste it right here like so. Alright, and if we go ahead and run our script, we're going to get exact same thing because we have successfully copied the element of list1 down to our list3 using the list constructor. Very cool, very cool. So now moving to the last but not least, we can simply copy the element of one list to another using our slice operator right here. So let's go ahead and see how. Now let's go ahead and comment this line of code because we are done with the list constructor. Let's come down below here and then let's define another list called list4, for instance, and say is equals to, we're going to go ahead and call our list that we wanted to copy from. Let's say list1, like for example, and then we specify our slice operator by opening a square bracket like so, and then our slice operator like so. So I believe this kind of makes sense, right? Because remember, using the slice operator, when we leave out the start, and it's going to start from the beginning to the specified ending index, if you remember that. And same way, if we leave out the ending and specify the start, and it's going to start from this start index that we specify to the ending of our characters or list. But this time around, we are leaving out both the starting and ending, so it's going to get the whole list element and save it inside of our list4. So this is kind of a tricky idea of copying elements of one list to another using the slice operator. So now instead of printing list3, we're going to go ahead and say we wanted to print list4 instead. Now let's go ahead and paste that. Now if we should go ahead and run our script, yes, as you can see, we still have our list elements from list1 that are being copied down to list4. So friend, that will be it for this video. I hope the concept of copying from one list element to another is very much clear to you, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.